how to remove blank rows in Google Sheets. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take It Simple. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to remove blank rows in Google Sheets. Let's get started. Firstly, open your Google Sheets. Here you can see data. Now here it is blank. And what we want to do is delete the blank row from the given data. In order to delete the blank row, go to the cell you want to remove and then right-click on it. Here you will be seeing the menu list. Now click on Delete Row. And there you have it. You have successfully removed blank rows without affecting other in Google Sheets. That's a wrap for today. I hope you understand. If you guys did, then hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to like, comment, and I will be seeing you guys on the next video. Until then, bye bye.